the House of Representatives, the representative of the Sikh religion is going to lead our morning prayer, which is remarkable in itself. But given the events of the world over the last few weeks, particularly what happened in Canada, it's incredibly important to show how much part of the community are. You are as much of our country as anybody. And this is so symbolic that it is here today, that you'll show the strength of our country and those in the faith of their religion.
Sir, this one question cooking all the time in my mind. What you know the story in Canada right now, right?
Sure.
And you see all the Sikh community standing here to pray for the start of session, right? So, in your experience, what do you think about the Sikh community all around? When any problem comes, the Sikh community in forward, run there and give their services to all the people, whatever the food and the COVID, what of the working. So, what is your opinion, especially from your heart, for the Sikh community?
What happened in Canada is horrible by any measurement. The reports of it being perpetrated by another country on foreign soil, we have to get to the bottom of that to find out what happened. And if the reports are true, I think this takes those actions to a new level. But let's talk about the Sikh community in our community, in my community. You are a part of the community. You're the fabric. You are there each and every day. And the fact of the matter is our country was founded on religious freedoms. Whatever that religion is, we come together as one. E pluribus unum, out of many come one. And today, it's a special day for the Sikh community that they can show their love, not only for their community, but for our country.
Thank you so much.
Sir, let me ask you one question. Leading to us in the area, like yesterday, the news came from FBI in America at the 8 times, 50% are against US, and next number from the 6 with 11.4% of the total is dying there on 6. So how is the Sikh community and the Congressmen work together so we have less week time, total in America, especially Sikh community, very small minority, 11.4%.
The idea of people being targeted for their fundamental right to believe in what they feel is appropriate, whatever the religion is. Obviously, the numbers attacking the Jewish members or you in the Sikh community, it's not American. It's anti-American. And the fact of the matter is you should be able to do it without fear of your public safety and your life. And that is certainly not the case. So today even becomes more symbolic. And it's unfortunate that we had to wait this long for a Sikh to lead the prayer, but this turns the page, starts a new day that you are very much part of who we are, which is America. Thanks for coming.
We have all the ladies from your area. Could you bring them for a minute?
Whatever we can fit in here, we will do so. This is called multitasking. It's what we do every day.
Okay. I need a couple of words from you, from the community to the Congressman.
Well, I think my heartfelt thanks to Donald, who's a personal friend for so many years. And he's been to our Gurdwara several years back. And I remember that when he came there, our relationship was new at that time. And he said, I have only 30 minutes. But when he came over there, we took him to, after the service, to the Langar Hall. And he sat there for a good 45 minutes talking to people. So he's a people's person. He's a good friend of Sikhs. And we thank you very much for doing this. This is the first time it's happening. Sikhs been here for 100 years, 100 plus years. And this is the first time the Sikh prayers is going to happen in the U.S. House chamber. Thank you very much for that.
Well, thank you.